Thank God for your native language, Jinghpaw. You are wonderfully created as a Jinghpaw. Learning to acquire your language is a privilege, particularly in contexts where Jinghpaw language provides social, economic or educational advantages. First of all, you have to know that Jinghpaw language is different from English language. That means you can't use English grammar structure to make a Jinghpaw sentence. Secondly, intonation can change the meaning of a sentence. For example, the word WA has at least 4 meanings, according to its different tones of the sound, so you have to catch the exact sound of the meaning you want. If you want to say dad, you should pronounce
Wa. Wa.
If you want to say go back, you should pronounce
Wa. Wa.
If you want to say pig, you should pronounce
Wa. Wa.
If you want to say teeth, you should pronounce
Wa. Wa.
Now practice saying until you catch the exact sound.
Wa. 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 Wa.
Then complete these sentences and practice speaking them. I love my dad.
Wa pe sora ai.
I want to go back home.
Nay ta wa pe you ai.
My grandfather has a pig.
She tui ko wa at nay true ai.
One of my teeth broke.
Ni a wa lak nay to mat ai.
In English, when you say I love you with different intonations, it is still the same meaning.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
But in Jinghpaw, these two sentences have different meanings because of their different sounds. I see fish. I see a cow.
Ngay nga mu ai. Ngay nga mu ai.
I like fish. I like cow.
Ngay nga ra ai. Ngay nga ra ai.
Fish,
Na.
cow.
Na.
We have learned that we can't build Jinghpaw sentences with English grammar. We have learned that we have to pronounce the exact tones of the word sounds. You appreciate God's gift of your native language by learning Jinghpaw. Great job. You are closer to master your own language.